First, glue the side of purple flannel and fold it. Use the glue gun carefully. Second, cut it into a lavender pattern or into small parts about a centimeter. But don't let them separate. Third, take a wire as a lavender stem. Glue the side of purple flannel that have been made a lavender pattern. Fourth, roll it down with glue little by little. Fifth, roll the wire that is not covered by the lavender pattern with green roller tie. It looks like a lavender stem. Sixth, cut it off both of green flannel into leaf pattern. Seventh, apply the leaf on the lavender stem using glue gun. And the last, lavender flowers are ready to beautify the room.